Hey guys, so I'm still trying to be healthy during lockdown number 2 or 3 or whatever it is. So I'm going to show you how to make blueberry muffins, and they're only 59 calories each. I'll show you what you need. These are all the ingredients, but I'll put a list up of the exact measurements. You'll need a muffin tin and some muffin cases too. If you preheat your oven to 180 before you start making them. So first, if you measure out 100 grams of your plain flour, but take out 10 grams and keep it to the side, and that's for your streusel topping. Add 1 teaspoon of your baking powder and 1/4 of a teaspoon of your bicarbonate of soda. Now these measuring spoons are great, and I think they cost me about 99p at Home Bargains. Lifesaver. In a separate bowl, you're going to put 2 large eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla, 6 tablespoons of sweetener, and 100 grams of plain yogurt, and whisk that up. If you then fold your egg mixture into your flour mixture and add your blueberries, and you'll be left with something that looks like this. So for the topping of your muffins, which are now ready in their baking cases, with the leftover flour, if you add 1 teaspoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of real sugar, not sweetener, and 1/4 a teaspoon of cinnamon, and rub it together with your fingers to make a kind of crumble, then what we'll do is we'll sprinkle that on top before we put them in the oven. And once you've sprinkled that on top, if you pop them in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes, and they should be ready. I told a little lie at the start of this video, they're not actually 59 calories, they're 65 calories, but still good for a muffin.